Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DEST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice move. And when you stop and think about the fact that at its lows it was right there, and then by the time the closing bell came around, the price was all the way up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the price certainly did make, whoops, grabbed the wrong thing there. But they would say, yeah, the price, definitely did indeed make a good solid movement to the upwards direction. But that does lead to the valid question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area right here at 40 cents. Why is 40 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 40 cents. If the price were to go down to 40 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of this area of the chart where it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here. However, the difference being now all of a sudden the price behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 40 cents. What about levels of resistance going forward? As far as where the sellers are at, main level going forward as of right now, right up there at 48 cents. You can see right there is where the price was rejected, and then you fast forward right there. And sure, the price didn't hit it exactly, but definitely got well within that range. So 48 cents, public enemy number one going into Thursday. All in all, though, any way to look at it, very nice movement today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce going forward. Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.